Yin Homes is back with another property home tour in TTDI. Now, if you're in the market for a freehold property that is inter-terrace in nature, that is designed for resort living with many unique features, you should check this video out. The house is located in the Datuk Sulaiman area. If you remember our last few videos, Datuk Sulaiman is located at one of the higher points of TTDI. You will remember that the area offers many amenities and conveniences, including close proximity to the park. One of the most common questions I often get is, why are TTDI properties in such high demand? I honestly think it's a lot about the conveniences and amenities that this area can offer. Coming back to the house, this is one of the few 2.5-story houses originally built by the developer in the late 1980s. There are only several houses that come with this design, and they are all located on Jalan Datuk Sulaiman 6. The home comes with 4+1 rooms and 3+2 baths. Let's check out the place. With the rising cost of renovation, again, something we've covered in our previous videos, you realize that move-in condition and renovated homes are in great demand. This lovely home is move-in condition and designed for those that appreciate the resort design. What I love about this house is how spacious the living and dining area is. They just flow seamlessly with one another. And look at the marble flooring, it's so well kept. It's flawless, and this is not something that is easy to find anymore these days. Even little things like the staircase railing has been changed. And look at this. These little pebbles that frame the staircase. It is little attention to details like this that I think make a house a home. Coming to the kitchen. You'll find that the space is large with a lot of storage space. The island in the middle of the kitchen would be perfect as a buffet spread. It's extended with a helper's room and bath, and there's even a pantry hidden here. Because the homeowners do a lot of home cooking, there's a wet kitchen tucked behind. So you can do all the heavy cooking with the proper ventilation, leaving the dry kitchen pristine. On the first floor of the house is where the master and 2 bedrooms are located. Let's take a look at the master. It is also extremely spacious. All the rooms, I think, have been configured for practical home living. Just look at the size. You could easily fit a super king size bed right here and still have ample wardrobe space that I think is what every woman is looking for. Take a look at the door frame, solid wood. I can tell you it's no small feat to bring something as big as this from Indonesia right to the heart of TTDI. We're right here in the common area upstairs. Most of the time, common areas are highly underutilized. So what this homeowner did was to transform it into a TV den. It's a comfortable couch here with the TV, and there's even space for a little work desk here for all of us who like to work while watching TV. Both the rooms have been extended, again for additional space. Very practical in terms of layout. As you know, growing families often need one thing: space, more space, and more space. So that's why with this extension, you get a little bit more storage space and sort of a vanity area. Look at these door frames again. It's just beautiful. The original design of the top floor for the house actually has 3 compartments. You have a storeroom, the toilet, and then the room. So what this homeowner did, which I think is quite smart, is to break down all the walls, making it into one large studio apartment with its own ensuite. So you have a large bedroom space. Here's perfect for a TV lounge that leads you right into this stunning view. Let's just take a moment to check out the view. The stunning view overlooks TTDI and Bandar Utama. You are at the highest point of TTDI in terms of terrace houses. The next highest point would be TTDI Hills, where the bungalows and semi-Ds are located. So we're on the top floor of the home, and you can see, I just want to draw your attention a little bit to the attention to detail to every single part of this house.
This may just look like a decorative to you, but in fact, it is actually the door leading to the water tank for the house. But this design has been done so that even the door looks part of the design.
What I absolutely love about the house is the heart and soul the owner has put into it. The door frames, kitchen tiles, featured wall, here are all imported from Indonesia. The stained glass here came all the way from Malacca. The wall mural was done by art students of a local university. So much thought has gone into making this house a home. If you're absolutely in love with this resort design, you don't need to do much other than bring in your own furniture.
This home is going for 2.45 million. Interested to know more? Give me a call or drop me a text. I'm Yin Peng from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place. Bye!